The world of wearable technology has officially stepped into a new era with the arrival of Google's Pixel Watch 4. This isn't just another routine upgrade or design refresh, it's a bold leap that redefines what a smartwatch should be. By merging Google's most advanced artificial intelligence, breakthrough health monitoring tools, and a tighter integration with the Android ecosystem, the Pixel Watch 4 transforms from being just a gadget on your wrist into a powerful personal companion. Unlike many devices that emphasize only fitness or notifications, this watch embeds intelligence directly at its core, making it proactive rather than reactive. From real-time coaching to on-device AI translations, from adaptive watch faces to advanced security, the Pixel Watch 4 feels less like a piece of technology and more like a partner guiding you through everyday life. In this video, we'll dive into every detail of the Pixel Watch 4, explaining why it's not just an improvement but a revolution. If you love technology, innovation, and the future of smart living, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. At the heart of the Pixel Watch 4 lies the perfect combination of powerful hardware and cutting-edge software. Equipped with the Snapdragon W5 chip and Google's own optimizations, the watch delivers lightning-fast performance and smooth navigation. But what sets it apart is the inclusion of Gemini Nano, Google's advanced on-device AI system. Unlike older wearables that depend on cloud processing, the Pixel Watch 4 can analyze, predict, and assist instantly, right on your wrist. It translates languages in real time, summarizes text messages, manages tasks, and delivers proactive recommendations without waiting for a server to respond. This shift makes the watch feel truly intelligent, giving you relevant support the moment you need it, all while keeping your data private and secure. Health tracking is where the Pixel Watch 4 makes its most transformative impact. Building on Fitbit's expertise, it offers a level of precision and insight previously found only in medical-grade equipment. The advanced heart rate sensor delivers near-clinical accuracy, while continuous glucose trend monitoring opens life-changing possibilities for people managing diabetes. The watch also tracks blood oxygen levels, stress responses, and even subtle sleep phases with incredible accuracy. What sets it apart is how Google AI interprets this data. Rather than simply presenting numbers, it gives actionable advice. It might suggest a recovery day after intense workouts, offer breathing exercises to manage stress, or alert you to irregular patterns you may not even notice. For athletes, it becomes a high-level coach optimizing performance. For everyday users, it acts like a health advisor, encouraging small but meaningful changes that add up over time. Communication has also been reimagined. The Pixel Watch 4 is equipped with 5G LTE, allowing you to leave your phone at home without losing connection. Calls, messages, and even video chats can be handled entirely from your wrist. The upgraded microphones, combined with AI-powered noise reduction, ensure your voice sounds clear even in crowded or noisy environments. Google Assistant is now faster, smarter, and more natural, thanks to on-device Gemini Nano processing. Instead of feeling like you're giving commands to a robot, the assistant responds with conversational flow. And one of the most exciting features is real-time translation. Speak in your language, and the watch instantly delivers translations in another, breaking down barriers in travel, business, and everyday interactions. Personalization is another area where the Pixel Watch 4 shines. Google has introduced adaptive watch faces that evolve throughout your day. In the morning, you might see your calendar, reminders, and commute updates. During workouts, the face automatically switches to display heart rate, performance stats, and weather conditions. At work, it prioritizes emails, meeting reminders, and productivity tools. At night, it transitions to calming visuals designed to prepare you for sleep. This adaptability ensures that the watch always feels relevant and personal. Combined with premium finishes and bands ranging from sporty silicone to elegant metal links, the Pixel Watch 4 effortlessly blends into any lifestyle, whether casual, professional, or formal. Security and privacy are pillars of the Pixel Watch 4's identity. With biometric authentication via palm scan technology, end-to-end encryption, and full transparency about how AI generates recommendations, users can feel confident that their personal data is safe. Unlike some devices that trade convenience for privacy, Google has taken a strong stance to ensure compliance with enterprise-grade standards. This makes the Pixel Watch 4 not only appealing to everyday consumers, but also to professionals working in sensitive fields like finance, healthcare, and government, where protecting data is just as important as having the latest features. But the Pixel Watch 4 is not just about productivity and health, it's also about creativity and entertainment. The stunning AMOLED display now offers a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making interactions crisp and fluid. You can stream music, podcasts, and even short-form video directly on the device, while AI-enhanced audio tuning adapts sound playback to your environment. For creatives, the watch doubles as a brainstorming assistant, allowing instant voice-to-text note-taking, quick sketches, and AI-driven idea generation that syncs seamlessly with Google Keep, Docs, and other apps. This means inspiration never goes to waste. You can capture it anytime, anywhere. Accessibility and ease of use have been improved dramatically. Google has streamlined Wear OS for faster navigation, gesture-based controls, and intuitive shortcuts. Accessibility upgrades include real-time captioning for calls, AI-powered text-to-speech, and high-contrast modes for the visually impaired. The Pixel Watch 4 syncs seamlessly with Android phones, Chromebooks, and Pixel devices, creating a unified ecosystem where everything just works together. But unlike many competitors, it also supports iPhone users, making it one of the most inclusive and versatile smartwatches available today. By launching the Pixel Watch 4, Google has gone beyond simply competing with Apple and Samsung. It has redefined the smartwatch category itself. This is not just a fitness tracker, not just a timepiece, and not just an accessory. It is a full ecosystem condensed into a sleek device on your wrist. It manages health, boosts productivity, enhances communication, entertains, and inspires, all while adapting to your lifestyle. With each feature carefully designed around AI intelligence and user experience, it positions itself as the new gold standard in wearables. In conclusion, the Google Pixel Watch 4 isn't a small step forward, it's a giant leap for wearable technology. It combines powerful AI, advanced health insights, smarter communication, and elegant personalization into a single device that truly feels futuristic. Whether you're an athlete chasing peak performance, a professional handling complex schedules, or someone looking for a healthier and more connected lifestyle, this watch delivers. If you found this breakdown helpful and exciting, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you stay updated with every new innovation from Google and beyond. Drop a comment below and tell us which feature of the Pixel Watch 4 impressed you the most. The smartwatch game has officially changed, and the future is happening right on your wrist.